Want to make money online fast without falling for scams? In this video, I'm breaking down real ways to earn $50 to $200 or more per week, starting today, and you can scale these into full-time income if you stay consistent. Let's go. First up is freelancing. This is one of the fastest ways to make cash online if you have a skill. You can offer services like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, or even simple tasks like virtual research. Step 1. Pick a platform. Start with Fiverr or Upwork. Both are beginner-friendly and pay quickly once you get your first gig. Step 2. Build your profile. Make sure it highlights your skill, shows a portfolio or examples of past work, and has a clear, professional photo or logo. Step 3. Start small. Don't overcomplicate it. Take on small, easy jobs to build reviews. For example, if you're a writer, do a 500-word article for $20. Once you have reviews, you can raise your prices. Step 4. Deliver fast and communicate clearly. Clients value speed and clarity. Good reviews equals faster jobs equals more income. Pro tip. Some freelancing gigs can pay within 24 to 48 hours. That's cash in your account fast if you're consistent. Next, selling items online. This is huge because there are tons of free or cheap items sitting in people's garages, on Facebook Marketplace, or even thrift stores that you can flip for cash. Step 1. Find free items. Check Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist free sections, or local buy-sell trade groups. People give away items like furniture, electronics, or collectibles all the time. Step 2. Decide your method. You can either pick it up in person, or, if it's small enough, do a dropship-style flip. Take a clear, high-quality photo of the item. Step 3. List it for sale. Craigslist, eBay, or even specialized Facebook groups are perfect. Price it slightly higher than the value to make a profit. For example, a free coffee table might sell for $50 to $75 depending on condition. Step 4. Close the sale. Communicate quickly and professionally. Set a pickup location or ship it if it's feasible. Pro tip. Focus on items that are in high demand. Electronics, small furniture, and collectibles sell fast. Even flipping 1 to 2 free items a week can net you $100, $200 extra. Now let's talk microtasks and surveys. These are not get-rich-quick methods, but they're perfect if you want to earn money from home. No skills required. Step 1. Pick reputable platforms. Swagbucks, Amazon, Mturk, Clickworker, or Inbox Dollars are solid options. Step 2. Choose tasks strategically. Some tasks pay just a few cents. Others can pay $5, $20 each. Focus on the higher-paying ones and stack platforms. Step 3. Track your time versus payout. You want $50, $200 extra per week without wasting hours on low-paying tasks. Pro tip. Microtasks are perfect for mornings, evenings, or waiting periods. Do them consistently and it adds up. Next, let us talk about ways to earn online that are a little more advanced but still fast to start. Option 1. Flipping domains or websites. Buy undervalued domains or starter websites, improve them slightly, and sell them for profit. Sites like Flipper or GoDaddy auctions are perfect. You don't need coding skills. Even small improvements like content updates can raise the value. Option 2. Selling stock photos or short-form videos. If you like photography or video, platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Pond5 pay you every time someone downloads your work. It's passive income that grows over time. Option 3. Simple virtual assistant work. Companies need help managing emails, scheduling, or social media. Sites like Belay or Fiverr let you pick up VA gigs quickly. Pro tip. These methods can scale stock photos and short videos, earn money every time someone uses them. Flipping domains or websites can lead to larger one-time paydays. Here's the reality. None of these methods will make you rich overnight. But with consistency and strategy, you can earn $50 to $200, or even more each week, and some of these methods can scale into full-time income. Tip 1. Track what works. Double down on it. Tip 2. Stay consistent. Even small income adds up over time. Tip 3. Avoid scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. The key is to start now, test, and refine. Pick 1 or 2 methods, get them working, then expand. Try one of these methods today and comment below which one worked for you. Follow Cash 101 for more proven, real ways to make money online in 2026. Let's get started.